Hi, I'm Hannah from Producers Market, and today we're going to be making a beautiful garden focaccia. Not only is this focaccia delicious, but it's also easy to make, healthy, and it won't leave you a mess in the kitchen. If you're wondering how this is even possible, it is thanks to Snacktivist ready-to-mix garlic and rosemary focaccia. Let's get started. We are going to start by adding the entire content of 1 packet of Snacktivist rosemary focaccia mix into a bowl. Then we're going to add 2 cups of water and approximately 1/3 of a cup of olive oil. Mix until all ingredients are well incorporated. The mixture should have the consistency of pancake batter. Once we have that ready, prepare a baking tray with parchment paper. Then pour the mixture into the baking tray and spread the mixture evenly. Set the tray to a side and let the dough rise for 10 minutes. Now we can go ahead and chop our vegetables. The idea here is to have many different colored vegetables and cut them into different shapes and sizes. Once we have our veggies prepped, we can go ahead and get our tray with our focaccia and drizzle some olive oil over it. Now we have a blank canvas to start creating our garden focaccia. I'm going to be using the chives as grass and the other vegetables as flowers and centers of flowers. Once we have that ready, we can go ahead and bake it for 20 minutes or until you see that the edges are brown. Cut into slices and enjoy. Thank you for watching. See you next time.